All right, hello family, welcome once again to another video. As you already know, this channel is purposely for you. We go around the world to let you see the wonderful place that you want to see, real estate, buildings that you want to buy, cars that you want to buy, the land that you want to buy, and farming that you want to do. So please contact us if you need anything. And thanks to all of you for subscribing and also always going to the channel to stream right over here. I'll say big thanks to all my subscribers. And if you're watching, you haven't subscribed, please, if it's the first time to watch, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon and notified notification so that each and every day when we drop a new video, you watch and see what is going on. Today, I'm going to go with you on this wonderful land that you can see over here. This is one of the lands that is in for sale. You can see that people are in to buy, and they are, demarcating the roads, layouts, and those who have bought the land, they are in for registration. Buying land in Ghana is one of the things that we all need to bear and to be very vigilant about it. You may buy a land and later on, you may lose it. These are some of the reasons why I'm in to just give you this video. Buy a land which is registered, buy a land from the right source, buy a land from the right owners. Please, if you're in Ghana and you want to buy a land, you can contact us. We will help you. Yeah, so if you want to buy a land, please do all to get the right owners to, get you the perfect land that you want to buy for yourself. As you already know, we are in for you. This is one of the lands which is located on the Strait of the Flower Road. After Pram Pram, you can see this wonderful land at P5 Junction on the Strait of the Flower Road, P5 after Pram Pram. So the right owners have gotten this land and they are in to go through the process. If you have any land, please make your search to see if those who sold the land for you are the right owners. So this land was given to a family member, but now the right owners are in to claim the land, and they're in to make sure that anyone who buys this land will go through the right process. So this is the land. You can see it's very, very big. I want to just let you see how big the land is. Most of the estate developers have are in and they bought the land already for some years back. Yeah, some of them bought 10 plots. Some of them bought, 1 acre. Some of them bought, 3 acres. Someone even bought 7 acres of land. And you can see how they've demarcated it. Some of the land, the road will be passing through. That means that they need to go back to the office to make sure they, consult the right owners before they can use the land. Most of the lands that you can see over here are demarcated, but because they haven't laid in the roads, you can see it. So they started laying in the roads. That's where you got to know that this land belongs to this place belongs to this, and even this road passes here to the end of their portion. Right over here, I'm just taking you through a drone view to see how big the land is. And if you're watching and you want to buy any land in Ghana, you can contact us, Billy Empire. If you want to buy a land in Ghana and a car, just contact Billy Empire. They will help you to get a land which is registered and from the right owners and the right source. Enjoy this video to the fullest as you are going to watch epics of land, epics of videos about this land, how they're demarcating, how people are in to register, and how the land shapes looks like. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Jatan Nation. Jatan Nation. Or we apartment to present. Present we Narado. Oh, Jatan Nation on the present Narado. Everyone commonization on class. Jatan Nation. Okay, wine. Okay, another not all. I'm with you. And you meet in another way.
Oh, I'm going to your section. And I'm going to the guys. As all personal, I'm going to the other lunch. I have VIP. And you be here. Mammy, you know, I report like that. Actually.